Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar NF Running. So a great song, and we have this cool lick that goes in different ways, different facets through the entire song here. So let's take a look at this song. No need for any cape on this one. We have 4 chords that are bass for the song, so we'll take a look at these chords, and it goes in the same way through the entire song when it comes to chord progression. So we'll take a look at the chords first. The first one will be the A sharp chord. So that's a bar chord here, a bar on the first fret from the A string and down. So all strings except from E will be barred, and then the rest will be 3rd on D, 3rd on G, and 3rd on B. All right, the next chord will be F. Another bar chord, still on the first fret, this bar, but now over all strings. And then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Then we have C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. All right, so we'll start with this main lick, okay? This original lick, and it goes like this. All right, so the A sharp part is 2 notes, like all other chords, and the 2 notes now is 1st fret on A, and then you play the 3rd fret on B. So 1 round is, and you're gonna play 8 round of this. It's pretty fast, but it's pretty easy as well. You just have 2 fingers glued on 2 strings, and you just play alternate there. So eight times like that. That's the A sharp, and then you go over to the F. It's pretty much the same grip or so, but just different positions. Now you have the bass notes on 3rd fret D string, and the top note on the 5th fret E string. And you use the same principle there, alternate, starting with the bass, and then answering the top note. That is 1 round, and you're gonna play that for 8 rounds. So okay, then we have the C part, and what you do from this F, you just move up 1 string, and the same grip that gives you the 3rd fret on A string as the new bass note, and you're answering with the 5th fret on the B string. Same principle here as well. That is 1 round, you play it for 8 rounds, so. And then the final chord is the D minor, and you find it out here on the open D string with the new bass note, and you answer with the 1st fret E string. So that is 1 round, and you play it for 8 rounds. Goes like this. So very easy, this main lick there. You're gonna play that for the largest part of the song. And then about 3 minutes and 5 seconds into the song, you're gonna play the chord progression with just one down. Long pauses between. Like this, for only this one round. And then immediately after comes this new lick there. It goes on for just one round, and it goes based upon the same chords, of course, but just different grips. So now the A sharp grip will be this. Okay, so that is first fret on A still, and then the top note now will be the third fret on G string. For 8 rounds. Then the F chord will be the first fret on E string. That's the bass note, and the top note now will be the second fret on G string. And I forgot to mention it's 8 times for all these chords as well. So then the C, the bass note now is on the third fret A string, and the top note on the open G. So 8 rounds. And the D minor, the bass note is still on the open D, but the top note is on the second G. So you play only this for one round. So right. Then after this one round, you go back to the original lick, this one, and so on, or you play the chords. And if you do the chords, you do 4 downs per chord. So and you do this for 2 chord progression rounds. So 2 rounds, I play just one now. You play it for 2 rounds. You go with the original lick or the 4 downs per chord. And then after this, you go back and play this original lick there. And for 1 round. And that is how NF's running ends. So yeah, it's you're gonna play a little bit with these chords here. It's the same chord progression. You have it on the higher parts or lower parts sometimes, but pretty much it's the same through the entire song. So give it a try, guys. NF running, and until next time, play tuned. La 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 la.